percentage to fraction. Today, let's learn to convert percentage to fraction with the help of a few examples. Example 1. Express 34% as a fraction. We can solve this in a couple of steps. Step 1 is to write the percentage as a fraction with denominator equal to 100. Thus, we get 34% is equal to 34 upon 100. The denominator is taken as 100 as 34% means 34 out of 100. Step 2 is to reduce the fraction to its lowest terms. We can reduce a fraction to its lowest terms by dividing the numerator and the denominator by their common factors or by their HCF. Hence, dividing 34 upon 100 by 2, we get 17 upon 50. Therefore, 34% is equal to 17 upon 50. Now, let's solve one more example of the same type. Example 2. Express 80% as a fraction. 80% means 80 out of 100. Thus, 80% is equal to 80 upon 100. Thus, by reducing 80 upon 100, we get 4 upon 5. Therefore, 80% is equal to 4 upon 5. Now, let's solve a different type of example. Example 3. Express 15 and 1 upon 4% as a fraction. Step 1. Convert 15 and 1 upon 4 to an improper fraction. Therefore, 15 and 1 upon 4% is equal to 4 into 15 plus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 61 upon 4%. Step 2. Convert the percentage to a fraction. Hence, 61 upon 4% is equal to 61 upon 4 divided by 100, which is equal to 61 upon 4 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 61 upon 400. Step 3. Reduce the fraction to its lowest terms. Here, we cannot reduce 61 upon 400. Therefore, 15 and 1 upon 4% is equal to 61 upon 400. Now, let's solve one more example of same type. Example 4. Express 6 and 2 upon 5% as a fraction. Firstly, convert 6 and 2 upon 5% to an improper fraction, which is equal to 32 upon 5%. Now, by converting the percentage to a fraction, we get 32 upon 500. Now, by reducing it to the lowest terms, we get 8 upon 125. Therefore, 6 and 2 upon 5% is equal to 8 upon 125. Kids, now it's time for you all to convert a few percentages to fractions. Percentage to decimal and decimal to percentage. Today, let's learn to convert percentage to decimal and decimal to percentage. Let's start with conversion of percentage to decimal. To convert a percentage to a decimal, divide by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Let's look at a few examples to understand it in a better way. Let's express 48% as a decimal. So here we divide 48 by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Thus, we get 48% is equal to 48 upon 100. We can write this decimal fraction as a decimal number by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left, as the denominator has 2 zeros. Thus, 48% is equal to 0.48. Now, let's express 0.35% as a decimal. Here, 0.35% is equal to 0.35 upon 100, which is equal to 0.0035. Finally, let's express 10.8% as a decimal. Here, 10.8% is equal to 10.8 upon 100, which is equal to 0.108. Now, let's see the conversion of a decimal number to a percentage. To convert a decimal number to a percentage, multiply it by 100 and then write the symbol of percent. Let's express 7.7 as a percentage. Thus, we get 7.7 into 100% is equal to 770%. Here, we moved the decimal point 2 places to the right as we multiplied it by 100. Now, let's solve one more example. Express 0.89 as a percentage. Here, multiply 0.89 by 100 and write the percentage symbol, which is equal to 89%. Kids, solve a few examples on your own in order to understand this chapter thoroughly.